Scoop up some more potato. Daddy wants to see you putting it in your mouth. Can you scoop up a little bit more potato? Good job. Show him. What did you just eat? What?
Broccoli.
Broccoli? Wow.
Yum.
Here's some more. Mmm. Is it good?
Air clap, Dad.
Okay, I'll air clap in just a bit. Good job, buddy.
Your other one.
My other one's holding the camera. Can you show me? Eat some cranberry.
No. Better.